Good morning students, I am Nidhi here. Today in this video we will cover topic custom layout and smart art. Now what is custom layout? Custom layout means user can customize the layout by adding text and object placeholders according to need. So if you want to need the layout of slide, layout means structure of any slide according to your need. You want to add placeholders according to your need. For that we can customize the layout by using custom layout option. Next we have inserting smart art. So smart art is a tool that allows you to present data or information with graphics instead of just using text. We can present our data with the help of graphics. Now I am going to tell you the steps for inserting smart art and how you can customize your layout. Firstly, I am going to tell you about customizing layout. For that we have to click on view tab and here we will take slide master. Click on slide master. Now from this slide master we have to take blank layout because we want to customize it. I am taking this blank one. Just click on it. Now you can see this is a blank layout. Here we have option insert placeholder. Now what kind of placeholder you want to insert? Click on this drop down arrow and select anyone. Content, text, picture, chart. And firstly I am taking this text placeholder. Click on it and you can see your pointer has been turned into plus sign and drag it over the slide. Right? And if you want to take any other placeholder, like you want to take chart, table, etc., I am taking this chart one. Now wherever you want to place it, you can customize according to your need. And if you want to delete anyone, suppose I want to delete this one, just click here and press delete button. Delete key, it will be deleted from your slide. After that, now you can change its name. Just right click on this slide and click on rename. Now whatever name you want to give, suppose I am giving here class and click on rename. Your slide has been created. You have customized the layout. Close it and you can see, go to the new tab, new option, and here you can see whatever slide you have created with that name, it will be displayed here. This is a slide class. This is how you can customize layout. Next we have inserting smart art. Now here we have steps. Click on new slide. Here we have to take title and content slide. Click on that. Now click on this smart art icon on your slide. Click on it. Then you can see here we have different types of smart arts. You can take anyone, whatever you want, you can select from here. Whatever you want, just select it. Suppose I am taking this and click on OK. It will be inserted into your slide. So this is your smart art and you can write your text here. Right? So this is the way how you can customize the layout and how you can add smart art in your presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.